Here's a search for property on McDonald Avenue in Midwood if you want to find delinquent property. So you just go here and search in this tool here, and then you search for Midwood, McDonald. Let's look for something that has a lot of owed tax. We looked at this one. I wonder if this is probably commercial property. So if you look down here, yeah, it does say it's for sale. That's a mystery, because if you look at it, it says for sale. I don't know what this barrier is. Maybe something is happening. Obviously, it's right next to a subway, which is an overhead subway, because you can see that pillar there. I don't know what this barrier is. What is this thing? Maybe it's a container. If you look down, it shows where it is on the map. This is a very commercial street, it seems. Then you can click this source link and look at the actual bill, because this always goes back to the bill itself. And there's all kinds of other cool links in New York City. You can click on the zoning link, and it will show you the size of the property. I think you can... Oops, that's not right. This is the property, and I think there actually is a way. And look, you can sign up to improve the site. It definitely needs improvement. And the BBL lookup, you don't want to do that, but down here it shows its industrial and manufacturing. It shows its square footage, its frontage. It's not very big. It's a warehouse, fireproof. And you can look at the tax map and the deeds and all kinds of cool stuff. It looks like they have a new tax map site that doesn't really work on mobile. Agree. I don't know. Just look at this. On mobile, it looks like crap. It does say for sale. Something has happened over time on this property. It's hard to tell. It's only a 20, so it's hard to tell which building. It's only 20 feet wide, so I don't know why they seem... That building is not 20 feet, so there must be two different buildings here. And let's go back, and that's basically the tool. You can flip, meaning you can... you can get property with delinquency, right? So if they're not paying their property tax, they might not be paying their mortgage. You can also look up and see if they have a mortgage. So here we are. We go here, and let's look back. There's all kinds of cool links here, and one of them is the city register, and you can increase this by... And what we can do is see if it has a mortgage. It's hard to read this, we apologize, but that's New York City for you. And you can edit this. It looks like it does have assignments of mortgages, so it has an enormous mortgage too, or a large mortgage. You can even go here and change this to just mortgages and search. And these are all the mortgages on this property. And there's a satisfaction of mortgage. And, you know, you have to know how to interpret this thing. So some satisfaction happened to the Williamton Savings Fund, but we have to be able to add up the numbers here and make sure that everybody got paid. Probably not. There's probably some that have not been paid here, because I see 1.4 million, another 1.4 million, 100,000, and a 1.8 million. And satisfaction. The Williamton one, I don't see how Williamton got involved. Williamton. So you can even search here. You can go here and search Wilmington, and it's only there once. So somehow they satisfied it, even though they never were assigned or ever. So this is an art here to interpret these things. Let's just put it back to everything and see if